So I now go one nice story.
Tai štai jums viena graži istorija.
And the story I'm going to sing something.
You will sing.
Yeah.
Ir tą istoriją jisai padainuos mums.
Little Krishna in Vrindavan.
Taigi, mažylis Krishna Vrindavan.
Krishna is God. Those who knew probably. How many people knew today listening here about Krishna? Can you please raise your hand?
Sorry?
No, how many people are new that never heard Krishna before?
Ar kas nors yra apie Krishną dar negirdėjęs? Vienas.
Okay, thank you for coming.
Ačiū, kad atėjote.
Thank you. Acha.
Ačiū. Čia.
Okay, Krishna is God.
Tai, Krishna Dievas.
And he lives in Vrindavan,
Jis gyvena Vrindavane.
India.
Indijoje.
Little boy,
Mažylis.
very charming, beautiful.
Oi, koks gražuolis.
And, as a little kid, sometimes children like to steal.
Na, žinote, kaip tie mažyliai, kartais jie tokie vagišiai.
Because stealing has more flavor in the life than asking something.
Žinot, kai pavagi ką nors, tai biškai tokia atsiranda toks.
That is children's life.
Ne šiaip paprašyti kažko.
So he still butter.
Taigi, jo vagystė, jis vagia sviestą.
Little boy, little hand.
Mažylis su mažytėmis rankutėmis.
Beautiful face.
Dailių veidelių.
And he still butter.
Ir jis vagiliauja sviestą.
And when he still butter is all over his face because he's so little that he even don't know how to clean, just eating, while he's eating, all the butter was in his face.
Taigi, ir jis toks mažas, jis net nežino, kaip reikia ten tas valytis veidą, tai jis kai vagiliauja ir valgo, tai sviestas išmozotas po visą veidelį.
So he come to his mother, Jasoda.
Ir štai ateina mama Jašoda.
Mother Jasoda asking, Krishna, did you steal butter?
Ir mama Jašoda klausia, Krishna, vagiai sviestą?
Krishna says, who told you?
Kas tu pasakė?
Well, butter in his face,
Bet visas veidas išmozotas sviestu.
He said, who told you?
Kas tu pasakė, kad aš vagiliau?
He says, don't lie to me, mother said.
Ir mama sako, nemeluok man.
He said, no, mother, you're lying. I cannot steal butter.
Ir Krishna sako, mama, tu meluoji, kaip aš galiu vagiliauti sviestą?
Look, how can I stick my tiny hand?
Tu tik pažiūrėk, kokios mažos mano rankytės.
So look how mother just asking lovingly.
Žiūrėkite, kaip mama Jašoda klausia.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Oh Krishna, did you steal butter?
O Krishna, ar tu pavagiai sviestą?
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.